Hey, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Windows Update for lifetime or permanently. To do that, we need to open a browser and search for Windows Update Blocker. And you need to click on the second link and just scroll down. Okay, here is the download button. Click on that. Wait for a few seconds. Here is the download file. Okay, just open the folder. We need to unzip this because this is a zip file. Just right click, extract here. Okay, here is our file. Open it. And here is two software. One is 64 and one is normal version. So if your system is 32-bit, continue with this one. And if your system is 64, continue with this one. So my system is 64. That's why I'm opening it. So there will be a pop-up, yes, no, just click on yes. To disable Windows Update, just toggle to disable update and click on apply. So your Windows Update now just permanently blocked. You can't even do it yourself. Notice here, some settings are managed by your organization. So that means you can't access this feature. Okay, so if I just enable updates and click on apply, okay, if I just go once again, Windows Update, this time I can make updates if I want. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Windows Updates.